Last day of word problems for systems, 5-6. Solving system word problems, day 3. Okay, we're going to take it one more notch today. All right? I am. It says, example 1, the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 46 feet. The length of the garden is 5 feet less than 3 times the width. Find the area of the garden. Okay. What's it asking for? The area. Find the area of a garden. Well, I want the area of what type of shape? Rectangle. Okay. How do I find the area? Let me close that. Right.
Length times width.
How do I find the area of a rectangle? Good. Area equals length times width. So that is the very end. What I have to know. Area equals length times width. All right. Well, if I want to know the area, what do I have to have? Your length and your width. So my first box, when I identify X and Y, aren't we talking about length and width in the problem? The length is 5 feet less than 3 times the width. And I have to know length and width to find the area. So would it make sense to have X be length, Y be width? Okay, design. What's step 2 mean? Step 2 means get the equations. Good, okay. So the first sentence, the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 46 feet. Okay, what's important here? 46 feet. What is that? Is that the total? So I have a total here. So what's my equation going to start with? 46 equals. Okay, now what? What else is important in that first sentence? Perimeter. What does perimeter mean?
All the sides added.
All the sides added up. So we've talked about a rectangle. All the sides added up. Width, length, width, length. So if I want to add them all up, how many lengths am I going to add? 2 lengths plus how many widths? 2 widths. But am I using L and W right now? What are we using?
L and Y. I mean
X and Y, right? I've got to have 2 widths, so 2W, and 2 lengths, 2 L's to come up with the perimeter. Okay? Remember talking about that? Okay, we talked about that last notes. Okay, so instead of using L and W, I'm going to use X and Y. So 46 equals 2X plus 2Y. Okay, that was from last time. The length, okay, length stands for what? X. So underline it and write X. I see, pick your head up. The length of the garden is 5 feet less than 3 times the width. Okay, what's important? 5 feet less than, what's less than mean? Minus 3 times means 3 dot 3 times. The width means Y. Okay, are y'all ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay, a new trick for you. Less than. I want you to write less than at the top. Less than means flip word. Flip word. Write that at the top. Less than means flip word. Okay. I don't want you to write this right now. Okay? Just watch me write it. Okay, so if I wrote this exactly how it looks. Do I have a total and the length of the garden is 5 feet less than 3 times the width? Do I have a total in that sentence? 5 feet less than 3 times the width? Is any of that a total? No. So how do I start my equation? Huh? The first variable, which is X equals. Okay. Now, if I wrote it exactly how it looks, 5 minus 3 times y. That's how it would look, right? Okay. But what did I say about the word less than? It means flip word, okay? So the minus sign is the less than. This is less than right there. And it's a flip word. So that means whatever's behind it has to be written in front, and whatever's in front has to be written behind. You have to flip it because it's subtraction. So my real equation is going to be x equals 3y is going to be going in the front. Minus 5. I have to flip it. Less than is a flip word. You're going to hear me say that a lot, okay? Less than is a flip word. So on your paper, write that. X equals. We have to flip it because it says less than. Sorry. So we have to write the 3y in the front. We're still subtracting, and the 5 is going to go behind. If you don't flip it like that, you will get the wrong answer. Okay? Because in this one, what's 5? Positive or negative? Positive, right? Right here in this problem. But what's it supposed to be? A negative. So if you don't flip it, you're not going to get the right sign in front of your numbers like it should be. Okay? All right. Step 2, what do I do? Go to the calculator. So everybody turn your calculators on. And everybody should be doing this with me if you're watching the video or if you're watching live. Okay, so go to the calculator. Go to menu. What class are you in?
Algebra.
Algebra. And what are we talking about? System. How many equations? X and Y. There we go. And plug them in. 46 equals 2x plus 2y. X equals 3y minus 5. Enter.
16.
Okay, so box 3. We get? Okay, 16 stands for the what? The length. The x or the length. 7 is the what?
The width.
The width. Okay, let's debrief. Did we answer the question?
No.
No. What's the question asked for?
Find the area.
Remember this part right here. Area. And we said that the area's equation is length times width. So what do?
16 times 7.
So my area equals length times width. I don't know the area, but I do know my length is 16 and my width is 7. So my area equals, we put it in the calculator, 16 times 7, 112. 112 what? Feet. How do you say area? Squared. Good. Questions? So how was this one different than what we've been doing? You have to do one extra step on this one at the end. Okay, you had to know the area. Okay, example 2. Jill collects nickels and quarters. Her bank now holds 30 coins with a total value of $5.10. How many quarters does she have? Okay. What are the 2 things that I'm talking about? So my X and my Y. What are the 2 things I'm talking about?
Nickels and quarters.
Nickels and quarters. Okay, step 2. What's step 2?
Make the equation.
Write the equations. All right, sentence by sentence. Jill collects nickels and quarters.
X and Y.
Good. This is X and Y. Can I write an equation from that?
Yeah. Wait, no, you gotta have, don't you have to have the number with it? Like, you should do like X equals.
Jill collects nickels and quarters. Does that give me an equation?
No.
Her bank now holds 30 coins with a total value of $5.10. What's important? I have a total. What's my total? 510 is a total. What else do I have?
The 30 coins.
30 coins. What is that?
How many coins? Nickels and the quarters.
So what is that?
Like
Nickels
and quarters.
Yeah, nickels and quarters. So what is 30?
It's a total.
X and Y.
It's a total. You had the total number of coins and you had the total value. So I have the total for both equations. So one's going to start 30 equals and one's going to start 510 equals. Because I've got two totals. Okay, how do I write the equation for 30 equals? We're just talking about coins.
X plus Y.
X plus Y, however many nickels plus however many quarters. Just coins. Those are things. They don't have a value to them. So X plus Y. 510. How do I write the equation for this? Okay, so why are you putting numbers with your X and Y?
Because that's the value of the coin.
Good. We're talking value. Okay, we're talking money now. So I got to know the value of the coin. Well, what's the value of a nickel?
5.5.
0.05. What's the value of a quarter?
0.2.
0.25. 0.10 is dime.
Oh my god, no. My bad, miss.
That's okay. Okay, so how do I write this? 0.05x for nickel
I just had it.
plus 0.25y for quarter.
Can you just edit that part out of the video?
I wish. Okay, now what? Step 3, what do I do?
The calculator.
Plug it in the calculator. So everybody plugs it in. Menu,
Wait, no, what are they doing?
algebra. Come on, plug it in.
30.
Systems. Two equations, x and y. 30 equals x plus y. 5.10 equals 0.05x plus 0.25y.
Do you have any copies for us to do today?
I don't think so today.
Alright, thank
Okay,
you.
thanks, girls. Okay. Hit enter. What do we get?
12.
12 and 18. Okay, so what's it ask for?
How many quarters?
How many quarters? Right there. How many quarters? That's the key word that it wants to know. Okay, well, quarter stands for what letter?
Y.
So how many quarters?
18.
Who are you calling a goober? Are you calling me goober?
No, I'm calling it.
Okay. Okay, did we answer the question?
Yeah.
Is it reasonable? Do they have a total of 30 coins? If I do 12 plus 18, is that 30?
Yes.
Yes.
I've been hearing that word a lot lately. Yes.
All right, here we go. Number 3.
I feel like it's getting easier now.
Jason, good, it should. Jason and a group of his friends went out to eat pizza on 2 different occasions. Okay. Listen. Go ahead. You're good. Okay, y'all listen. Jason and a group of his friends went out to eat pizza on 2 different occasions. The first time the bill was $21.14 for 4 sodas and 2 medium pizzas. The second time the bill was $39.70 for 6 sodas and 4 medium pizzas. What will the bill be for 1 soda and 1 pizza?
You know how much they charge in Domino's?
Esperanza. Okay, step 1, what do I do? X and Y. What are the 2 things we're talking about?
Sodas and pizza.
Sodas
In pizza.
and pizza. That should get everybody's attention. Talking about pizza. Okay, step 2, what do I do?
The equation.
We got to come up with the equation. Focus. Alright, so I'm going to read it sentence by sentence. Jason and a group of his friends went out to eat pizza on 2 different occasions.
No.
Anything from there?
No.
No. The first time the bill was $21.14 for 4 sodas and 2 medium pizzas. What's important?
The total.
The total. What else?
X.
The number 4. What's sodas stand for?
Yes.
And what's and?
Plus.
Add.
Plus
What else is important?
2.
2. And pizza stand for? Y. You guys got it. Okay. Do I have a total?
Yes.
So what's my total?
That's new.
Uh-oh. What just happened? There it goes. Okay, what's my total?
$21.
2114 equals. Focus. Shh. Good. 4x plus 2y. Exactly how it looks. 4x plus 2y. If you mark up your words, it makes it easy. Okay, the second time, the bill was $39.70 for 6 sodas and 4 medium pizzas. So what's important? The total amount of money. What else?
The 6.
6. Soda stands for
X.
and means
Plus
4.
Y.
And pizzas is
Y.
y. Okay, do I have a total?
Yes.
Yeah.
It is 39.70 equals. Then I write it exactly how it looks. 6x plus 4y. Step 3, we do what?
Put calculator.
Put it in the calculator. Okay, menu. Everybody should be doing it. Algebra.
I got it.
Systems. 2 equations, x and y. 21.14 equals 4x plus 2y. 39.70 equals 6x plus 4y. Okay, I hit enter. Okay. Here we go, copy it. 1.29, comma, 7.99. Okay, what does this tell me? Sodas are $1.29 and a pizza
is $7.99.
Okay, here we go. Let's debrief. Did we answer the question?
No. Yes, we did.
Hey, listen. Did we answer the question?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's it say?
How much would it be for? Oh no.
What would the
Total.
bill be?
We need to add them.
What would the bill be? Okay, when you get bill, okay, what does that mean?
We need to add them.
We gotta add everything that we bought so we know how much we have to pay. So it wants to know what would the bill be for 1 soda and 1 pizza. So what do I do?
Add them.
129 plus $7.99. So I plug that in my calculator.
Is that right?
I don't know. Plus 7.99.
Oh, yeah.
And I get $9.28 would be my bill for 1 soda and 1 pizza.
That's okay.
Not bad.
That's like 10 months.
There's like one
Like a
slice
small
of like
pizza.
Medium pizza.
Oh, that's not bad.
Okay.
Make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe to mine.
Subscribe and like.